What's up YouTube? Guess who's back with another very high quality video. So today I actually want to go over this website I found. It actually jailbreaks your phone and you don't need to use a computer or anything. It takes around 5 minutes. So let me do this real quick. First you want to head over to settings and then scroll over to control center and make sure that access within apps is turned on. This is very important. If this isn't turned on, this will not work. All right, now you want to open Safari or whatever you use, and then go up here and type easyrewarding.com/jailbreak. It's gonna take you to this website right here. Click verify compatibility. Now choose whatever iPhone you have. For me, I have an iPhone 7, but you select whatever iPhone you have and select the iOS version you have. This works on any iOS version, but I have 14.3, which is currently the latest version. Then click verify compatibility. It's gonna take a few seconds right here. All right, now everything's verified. Your mobile is ready to go. Just click jailbreak. All right, it's installing the files and stuff. Don't worry, this won't do anything to your device. Now you just want to complete this quick verification. So just so it makes sure that you are a human, not a bot. So click human verification. And you're gonna find two apps that you can install. Just install two apps and run each of them for 30 seconds. It's very important to run each of them for 30 seconds. Or you can just read the instructions and follow it. So I'm gonna do this real quick. I'm gonna complete two offers by installing two apps and running each of them for 30 seconds, and then I'll bring you guys straight back. All right, perfect. So I just completed two apps. Now I'm just gonna restart my phone real quick, and after that I'll bring you guys back and let's see if I actually have Cydia. Guys, I just restarted my phone and look what I have right here. Look, let me focus real quick. All right, I have Cydia on my phone. It actually worked, guys. So let me even open it so I can show you. As you can see, fully functional. It works 100%. And I definitely recommend this for you guys. I'm gonna leave the link down in the description if you wanna head over to the site and try this out. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe and like this video and leave a nice comment. Other than that, that's it for this video. Peace.